Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to share 4 product reviews with you, which is from Inside Cosmetics, and those are super duper cheap, inexpensive, and you can use it almost every day in your day-to-day lifestyle. Whether you are a college going girl or a office going girl, you can use it. So first product that I really wanted to share here with you, which is the Pro concealer palette from Inside Cosmetics. I'll give everyone's swatch test also, so just stay with me till the end. And the next product is that this pore minimizing primer. It's really nice. And the third product is Inside blusher. So this is in the shade watermelon popsicle 04. And the other product, the last but not the least, which is Cosmic Power. It's a highlighter basically, and it has a really nice packaging also, so I liked it. So basically these are the 4 products that I'm sharing here with you. Those are really nice in good quality also. So here is the first swatch test that I'm doing. This is the highlighter, and everything here that I'm showing, it really blends well, really blends well, just trust me. This is the second thing, which is blusher. And so the next product is this pore minimizing primer. So I'll just quickly show you how this minimizes your pore as soon as possible once you applied it. So as you can see here, it's really blending well, and it's really soft also. It doesn't feel like harsh, it's really nice. And the last product that I wanted to share, which is this pore minimizing, the Pro concealer palette, which is this one. It has conceal, correct and contour. So here you can see there are many shades available according to your skin tone. You can use these shades, and like if you are having pimple under dark eye patches, so you can use this orange color corrector, and on top of that you can use just normal foundation, or you can use your concealer just normally, and you're good to go. Basically these are the 4 products that I just shared with you, and everybody has a top-notch quality, so you can use it almost every day in your day-to-day routine. So this one is the first, second, and this one is the second and third one. So everybody is really nice. So my hand full of this Inside cosmetic products, and those are really nice, and nobody paid me for this. Basically I just gave my honest opinion because I'm using those products almost every single day. I already shared links of this product so that you can order this products in my description, so kindly check out my description down below. Subscribe to my channel and click that bell icon also, so that whenever I upload my video you'll get the notification. And I also upload videos on my travel, my office lifestyle, so you'll get to know how I'm doing it in my life. So thank you so much. Bye bye.